Hi Johannes, I'm recording this to show you what should be scraped at the TBT level. Just inherent differences behind TBT and SPS. Depending on what kind of notification it is, if it's a notification or addenda, it might change where the box for trade facilitation is. So in this example, this is a regular notification, so it's usually an objective, number 7. And you can see there's a little box here saying reducing trade barriers and facilitating trade. That being said, I'm not sure on the link you sent me on the search how it was, because if it's something specific on here as well, you could even use the scraper to do it by sector if you want, just so you know. Because you have like protection of animals or plants, protection of human health, etc. However, as going back before, if it's an addendum, it's usually on 3 products, blah, blah, blah. And here you're gonna have, where is this? Oh yeah, here we go. Sorry, the reducing trade barriers and facilitating trade on number 3. So that's how you would scrape these, and the idea behind scraping these is the same thing as an SPS, whereas if the box is checked, it should be a green evaluation for the GTA, in my opinion. Also, another thing I wanted to mention, a difference between the TBT and SPS is that in here you have a type of document called revisions. Revisions are essentially an overhaul before the implementation date. What does that mean? That means I don't think it should overtake this is in an instance of where a trade measure is being put in and distorted, but it should change the date. So I don't know if there's any way. Perhaps we're gonna have to scrape as well. Anything that has a revision here, it usually says .re here on the left, as you can see for the type of document, which I can also perhaps even do an R, and then we get the date for that, and we maybe like superimpose that on the implementation date. I don't know if this is going to be relevant in the future, but I just wanted to mention that. Also, final note, I wanted to mention that if you need help, if the scraping is going to be something that we're going to have to do very often, I'm more than willing to learn it, or maybe you could perhaps send me some basic scraping code so I can start getting used to it and I can be more of an asset and I have to send you these videos every 5 seconds. But yeah, so I'm more than willing to delve deep into whatever needs to be done to get this done. Anyways, thank you very much. Talk to you on Thursday, sorry, and I will finish this Excel graph ASAP.